Above the clouds, where time slows, healing finds its way.
Seeing the amazing landscape. As you can see behind us, the next day we've came out, we've came up on horses, we've done a little hike, we've came up on the jeeps, a big variety of different methodologies of travel.
The thing I was most excited about was seeing the landscapes, seeing the mountains, because I'd googled a lot of the pictures and seeing them in real life, they look better than they did on the internet.
Then what happened was he was very obsessed with the jinn. He was obsessed with them, right? Like he was always talking about them. He always wanted to learn more about them. He even wanted to meet a jinn, right? And then later on one day, what happened was he disappeared.
Yesterday we had a fire pit and we're telling a bonfire and we're telling stories, jinn stories, having fun with each other and really just enjoying the companionship. I guess that's what, on top of the dental work, on top of the views.
We came here with a group of around 20 dentists, some freshly graduated, some in the final years, so we've had quite a diverse group.
Came out with the jeeps.
Bumpy ride, dangerous ride, driver was a maniac, but anyways we made it safe and sound. The view looks amazing. I think in the morning it looked a lot better.